Overcapture is when you reframe 360 content and save it as a traditional fixed perspective video or photo. Here's how it works. The skater sets up Fusion and starts his session. He doesn't worry about framing the shot because Fusion is capturing everything at once. When he's done skating, he uses the GoPro app to transfer the 360 footage to his phone so that he can create an awesome Overcapture video that he can post and share. First, he presses the Overcapture icon. He pinches to zoom and swipes to pan. By tilting his phone and moving it in space, he can explore all the different perspectives. He has complete control to create a new video from any angle he wants. All he has to do is hit record to capture exactly what he sees on his phone. With Overcapture, he can reshoot the scene as many times as he wants from endless perspectives. Check out his finished video. It looks like it was shot by a team of professionals, but all he needed was Fusion and the GoPro app. It's ready to post and share.